Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today, we're actually going to talk about Bitcoin, right? It's looking scary right now. So, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you've been following me for a long time, okay, guys, you know I've been at least 90% or more accurate when it comes to my accuracy has been at least 90% or more when it comes to the crypto market. Okay, I told you guys I was looking for another low. Okay, I know some of you guys probably bought up top or whatever the case is, but you have to understand what you're looking at and how to read the charts in order to navigate through these markets. If you're just joining in, hit that subscribe button. If you're watching that replay, make sure you watch this video. You can actually speed it up by hitting the settings 1.5 or 2, and you can speed up that replay, guys. All right. Also, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. So thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. I appreciate this. Right now, what we're going to do is basically going to go to CoinMarketCap. But before we go to CoinMarketCap, just give me a second, guys. I want to do something real quick. I want to pop out this. I want to pop out. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to do something real quick. Just give me a second. All right, I'm coming. I had to make sure that that this. All right, let's go. Let's get the party started. Let me pop out the chat room real quick. All right, I'm gonna pop out the chat room, and then we're gonna go back to the charts. So let's go to the charts real quick, guys. Let's go to back to the charts. Let's go right here. All right, so if you're new to the channel, guys, please hit that subscribe button. If you want to follow a guy that's a professional, and I'm outside, by the way, so if you hear water, sprinklers, or just birds or whatever the case is, that's why. But guys, if you want to follow a professional, a person that's doing this full time, that's the best thing you can do. All right? Following losers that don't understand what's really going on, okay, you're always going to lose. But we're gonna look at some charts. We're gonna see if this is a danger zone, and we're gonna go from there. Okay. Of course, if you have any questions, you can type it in. And during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Let me look at the CoinMarketCap real quick. So we are below the 300 billion mark, and we are hitting at 262 billion mark. All right. Bitcoin dominance. Like I said before, I'm very bullish when it comes to Bitcoin dominance. Okay. Like I said before, I believe a lot of these alts, okay, have to die. I believe a lot of these altcoins have to die, right? So I am very bullish when it comes to the Bitcoin dominance. And I'm trying to I don't know why this thing is not loading up. Hold on, there you go. When it comes to Bitcoin dominance, guys, I'm very bullish. Okay, I believe we're going to at least hit 70, maybe even 80%. Because just think about it, guys. We talked about this before. This is nothing new, guys. We talked about this before, right? Just go down and look at this list. All right, Waves. Why is Waves worth 150 million dollars? Okay, do you use Waves on a daily basis? Ravencoin, okay, Icon, like Lisk, like come on, guys, let's be serious. We don't use these coins. None of these coins are worth this much. It's based on hype. All right? And the strong will always survive, and the weak guys will always lose. It's just how it works, guys. In order to survive, guys, in order to survive in a market like this, a very volatile market, okay, you have to educate yourself. You have to. If not, all right, you are going to sink and lose money. So let's go to the charts real quick, and I'm definitely going to answer some questions. So let's go to Bitcoin. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, guys, real quick, and let me know. I'm on a mic check real quick, guys. Mic check 1 2 3. Can you guys hear me? Right? Let me see here. 4-hour. This is very simple, guys. Very simple, right? We hit resistance, boom. Sellers came in. We hit resistance again. Actually, let me back up before we even talk about this, okay? All right. We have, guys, we have resistance right here, right? We hit that. We tried to go above it once, twice, 3 times, all right? And we couldn't. Sellers came in multiple times. Very easy, right? I told you guys, I'm looking for Bitcoin to make a new low. I've been telling you guys that for the longest. Boom, new low, right? Now, we have to wait to see if Bitcoin, because most likely, whoever went long right here is going to get wiped out, right? Most likely this guy right here, whoever went long right here is going to get wiped out. Now, you have to hope Bitcoin finds support anywhere around this area right here. Anywhere around this area, okay? You better hope Bitcoin finds support anywhere around this area. If it doesn't, okay, things are going to look scary right now. I mean, things are going to look scary for Bitcoin and these other coins. Now, let's see who I have in the building. Let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. Let me give you guys a round of applause. If you have any questions, guys, type it in, all right? I've been doing this for going on 12 years, guys. I have 12 years experience in the technical analysis space. So type this in. I'm a full-time trader. I do this Monday through Friday. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I am a professional trader, guys. I do this full-time, right? I specialize in making money now. I don't care about 2 years, 4 years, 5 years, 8 years, 10 years down the road. It doesn't concern me. If you look at any rich guy right now, any rich person right now that makes money, a lot of it, that person is making money right now, okay, as we speak. The money is flowing in, okay? So I don't follow the average dude or the average guy or girl that wants to hodl or buy and hold for the next 5, 10, 20 years. I don't care about that, bro. All right? I want to see what the rich guys are doing. I want to model after them, and that's it. Game over, right? I don't care about what you want to do 5, 10 years from now. It doesn't matter to me, okay? Because most of us, I would probably guarantee you 98% of us that's on this live stream right now, we don't have parents where they gave us, money when we turned 18 years old, right? We didn't get lump sums of money like millions of dollars, right? We didn't have millions of dollars in our bank account. So since we didn't have millions of dollars in our bank account, guys, we have to build from the ground up, okay? So every second, every day counts. I can't waste 5 years. I can't waste 10 years. I have to make every second, minute, day count. And in order to do that, I have to learn how to make money now so I can stack and stack and stack every single day. Stack, 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 stack. That's the name of the game, okay? Not hope something's going to happen 5 years from now, because that is a hope. We don't know for sure what's going to happen. I don't care if it's crypto. I don't care if it's the stock market. I don't know, bro. All I know is I know rich guys are making money right now, okay? And I can get a small percentage of that pie. That's all I want, a small piece, okay? If you get a small piece of the money that's going around this world, guys, that's millions of dollars, okay? A small, tiny piece, you can still get millions of dollars with a tiny piece. That's what I'm after, okay? And this is what I'm trying to help you guys and train you guys and motivate you guys to get to that level where you stop following these stupid guys on the internet, guys. We have to be professionals and learn how the game is being played. So right now, Bitcoin has to find support. All right, we are below that 10K mark. Let's go to Litecoin. Litecoin, almost RIP. Almost RIP. I post this on my live stream, guys. If you don't have my course by now, check it out. Check out my course, guys. If you're watching that replay, check it out. It's the first link below. I have a Discord once you get the course. Now this I post this in my Discord that it's a possibility Litecoin go right back to that $70 mark, right? Right now we are at 70. Actually, we hit 76. So watch out for Litecoin. Let me go back to Ethereum. Ethereum. Okay. Whoa. Oh. I didn't even check this out. Okay. I'm honestly looking at the charts while we going live. I just checked out Bitcoin. Okay. Ethereum. Whoa. That is not good, right? And we're gonna explain this later, but I'm gonna go to you guys' questions. And then once I go over the questions, I'm gonna basically give you my thoughts real quick. All right, so what's going on, guys? Hold on. All right, let me see. What's going on, Boop? What's going on, DJKS? Zaron, what's going on? Joseph, Keith, what's going on, guys? Let me see if you guys have any questions. All right, and anybody from my group, any of my students right now, anybody from my group, my students, anybody making money right now from any of this stuff, let me know. Did you become a bag holder since your title is Pray? I guess you're new to my stream, and I guess you are new to anything I do, bro. You just go to my videos and check out my videos. That's all I gotta say. All right. Now, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button right now, guys. Hit that subscribe button right now. Let me see here. Dumping is going on everywhere. Yes. All right. Let me see. Butch said, if you want to make money, follow Ben. Simple. Ben, what's going on, guys? I'm looking to see if I see any questions here. If you have any questions, type it in right now. We are going to look at these charts and answer some questions. What's going on, Swaz? What's going on, Keith? What's going on, all my students? JA, shout out to everybody that's here. You said how scary? What do you mean by that, Dr. D? Ben, are you saying Bitcoin will go to zero? I'm reading these comments right here. All right, so let's go back to the chart. So basically, no, I don't think I didn't say Bitcoin is going to zero. Okay, I didn't say Bitcoin is going to zero. But let me hit this real quick, guys. Let me hit this reall quick. I gotta hit this real quick for the guys that bought this. Let me hit this button real quick. All right, so I hope you guys are trying to figure out how to read the charts, guys. All right, I hope you guys are trying to figure out how to read the charts, because if you don't, you're always going to be that guy that is a slave to the news, to your favorite YouTuber. Okay, guys, right now as we speak, let me show you what I don't like. What I don't like, and I didn't look at this. Okay, I don't like Ethereum crashing all the way back to the breakout, guys. This breakout is the same breakout that we had back, when where Bitcoin broke out around, I think it was 4,000. Okay, if you know anything about Bitcoin, if you know anything about these altcoins, especially in the bear market, they are leading. Okay, leading indicators. All right, let me say that again. They are leading indicators. What that simply means is, guys, they lead the pack, and Bitcoin follows. It's a slow a guy, and it's gonna eventually follow. So you better pray and hope that Bitcoin doesn't follow Ethereum this time, because Ethereum actually is getting real close to the breakout where we basically started this whole move. So let me go back to Bitcoin right quick, right? And let me show you exactly what I mean. This is the breakout right here, guys, right? When Bitcoin started this whole up move. If Bitcoin goes all the way back to here, guys, right? That is not good. I really think that Bitcoin is probably going to go back to this breakout right here, and we have to see if they want to wipe out these guys. So whoever went long right here in this circle, this breakout right here, we have to see if they want to wipe these guys out. If they want to wipe these guys out, that means we are going to back to like 6,000, right? We are probably going back to 6,000. So that's my take right now, guys. You really don't, especially the guys that's hodling and you're trying to do this long term. You really don't want Bitcoin to go that low. You want it to find support somewhere. That's the problem right now. The problem I'm seeing is these other altcoins are leading the pack, and it doesn't look good right now. Ethereum. I mean, let's see what's going on. Litecoin. Litecoin is looking scary. It's back to 70. XRP. What's going on? XRP. XRP looks like the only coin that actually is going to probably make new lows. All right, since August. So XRP looks like it's going to make that new low. Like come on, guys. It's back to 20 something cents. You kidding me? Anyway, let's go to some questions. If you have any questions, let me know. All right. Hit those like buttons, guys, right now. You said how low? Well, like I said before, Ethereum actually is going back to that breakout. So if Ethereum is going back to that breakout, then that's a possibility that, okay, if Bitcoin follows, it will probably go back to that breakout, which is around what, 3,000 or something. You don't want it to go that low, all right? Honestly, you don't even really want it to go to 6,000. All right. But guys, all jokes aside, I'm not trying to brag or nothing like that. Okay, if you know me, you know I don't brag. I don't care about that. But guys, I think it's time. I think it's time for you guys to start listening to a guy like me that's a professional. Guys, I've been accurate so many times. My accuracy when it comes to Bitcoin is around, the crypto market, it's around 90-something%. I've been making money since the 2017. Been making money since 2018 when everybody say buy the dips. I was selling like crazy, telling people stop buying the dips. Switch side, start making money off this up run, right? And right now I told you guys I'm looking for a lower low because we had resistance. Not only we had resistance, I told you guys way before that I'm looking for Bitcoin to find major resistance around this area, guys. I told you, go back to my videos. It's time to start, it's time to start to listen to a guy, right, that been through this so many times, guys. This is what I do full time. I look at the charts night and day. If you want to listen to a teenager, or if you want to listen to a guy that basically was involved with BitConnect, okay, and if you want to give advice to, or listen to the guys like that, be my guest. But if you want to live this laptop life and understand that there's money right in front of your face right now, hit that subscribe button right now, guys. Because I don't care about a favorite coin, Bitcoin going to $1 million, 100K, guys. This is not the channel for you. All I care about is helping my subscribers get out the matrix. The only way you are going to get out the matrix, guys, right, is to increase your cash flow. I can't believe I have to say this over and over and over, okay? But let's go back to why you need to have cash flow, guys. Let me show you right now. Right? Let me show you right now why you need to have cash flow. I can't believe I'm showing this again. Right? Let's go. Imagine, right? This is your monthly paycheck. Right? Imagine you Because skills, guys, money making is all money making is skills. Okay, the more skills you have, the more experience you have, the more money you'll make. It's just what it is, right? The reason why LeBron James and all these athletes get paid, all these entertainers, they have skills. They have something that you can't do, right? The reason why I can trade full time because I have skills. I bust my butt off and study the market so much to the point where I understand what's going on. Now, once you gain those skills, right? Imagine you making 10K a month, right? Some months 15K, right? Some months 20K. On a good month, you can make 40K, right? Imagine you making this every single month, right? Now, let's say that you say, all right, I'm going to take this month and just invest it in a long-term stock or a coin, right? I'm just going to take this month right here. It's only 15K, you know. All right, you put it in. Let me ask you a question, guys. Do you think this person right here is able to sleep at night? Right? This person that's consistently making money month after month, right? Do you think that person can sleep at night? Heck yeah. But do you think a guy that went all in, right, took all of his wealth and put it in one coin or one stock or one anything and is going down, do you think that person can sleep at night? Heck no. All right? So the name in the game, guys, is you take a small percentage of your wealth, right? You take this 15K. Let's say this 15K doesn't work out. Let's say everything goes to zero. Are you going to get mad? Right? So you got zero right here. Are you going to get mad? No. Because you're making this, you're making that every month. This. The money is coming in. This is the name of the game, guys. I can't believe I'm explaining to you guys this over and over. You guys still getting caught up in the hype. Bitcoin going to $1 million. Bitcoin going to 500 million. Like, come on, guys. You still getting caught up in that nonsense? You still not making money? You're still working your 9 to 5 and crying because your portfolio is down? Now, there's nothing wrong with working a 9 to 5. I'm talking about you're not doing nothing on the side to try to make more money consistently. Right? Now let's go back to the charts and let's go to some questions. So you guys could so I can actually go over some questions. Let me see. Let's go back to the charts. And before we even go to the questions, guys, shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you don't really know how to read the charts, guys, go get this course. Invest in yourself. All right. I usually give you guys that live stream discount. Let me do that right now. If you guys are watching that replay, go check this out. Okay. I told you guys, right, that in order to play this game, you have to understand it. You can't win a game that you don't understand. This course will show you how to make money when the market goes up, when it goes down, when it goes sideways. I actually did a private mentorship with you guys last month, right? You will get all those recordings. During that private mentorship, I told my students how I'm playing the market, what resistance I'm looking at, how to go long, and when I'm looking to go short. A whole bunch of stuff, okay? Go check that out. You will get all the recordings, and you will get much more, and you will get the Discord room. That's the live stream discount. Let me go to your guys' questions, and we go from there. So let's go here. Shout out to everybody that's here. I appreciate all my subscribers, man. Appreciate it, definitely. Let me see. Swazzer said, because of Big Ben, I made real money today, not pretend dreams. Yo, shout out to him. He's right, bro. Like, if anybody don't have my day trading course, if we day trade futures all day during the day, and it's absolutely like you will love that. Let me give him Kaching button. And the amount of money you can make is just ridiculous. And he's one of my students. He made some money today. Actually, he's been making money pretty much every day. Let me see here. Hey, what's going on, Jason? Jason's from the UK. Shout out to you, bro. I'll read these questions now. If I sell all my alts, what should I sell into? Shane, why would you want to sell all your alts? Actually, let's talk about that, okay? So, you have a guy, like I said, you have a guy that's going around, said he sold all his altcoins, all right? This is the same guy that doesn't know anything. He said that technical analysis doesn't work. It's funny because he actually said technical analysis doesn't work, and now he's explaining why he's actually using technical analysis, right? This is what he said. He said that he thought technical analysis was BS, right? And he went to prove it. So he started to study technical analysis, and he realized when he was studying technical analysis that it's not BS. So that's why he's using it right now, which is amazing. But it doesn't matter if you sell your altcoins to go into another coin, okay? Even if you sell your altcoins to go into Bitcoin, because he's bashing these altcoins right now, but it doesn't matter, bro. You can bash out altcoins all you want. Even if you're 100% in Bitcoin, if the market is going down, the market is going down, okay? Even Bitcoin. So you can't just bash altcoins and not look at Bitcoin, okay? If Bitcoin is going down, these altcoins are going down. So that's how the market works. Everything goes down. So it's not like, okay, I'm gonna sell this coin to get in that coin, bro. It doesn't matter. Like everything is linked together. This is why you have to learn how to read the charts, or go to other markets that allow you to make money, okay? And you don't have to rely on just crypto. I have a lot of students that don't rely just on crypto. We tackle a lot of different different markets. Mayton, you tried the market cipher indicator yet? Why would I try that indicator? Okay. First of all, there's no indicator out here. I can guarantee you. I put money on it. Okay. I put money on it. There's no indicator out here that can give you consistent results just by looking at the indicator. That's why when I told you guys I have an indicator for you guys, all right? What did I say, guys? I said that you're not going to use the indicator alone. You are going to use price action first, all right? And then you're going to use the indicator. Do you even need the indicator? No, you don't even need the indicator. You can use price action alone. All the reason why I gave you guys an indicator is because most of you guys force trades. You get into trades that doesn't make any sense. Like, bro, why you got in that trade for? I don't know. The YouTube saying, they was buying, so I bought. Like, come on. So no, I don't care about no market cipher indicator. Bro, you have to learn how to read the chart. You have to learn how to read the chart. You have to learn how to read the chart. That's it. Okay? If you skip that, all right? If you skip that, you're going to get screwed. So don't let anybody sell you into some stupid indicator that is some gold or anything like that. All right? Don't let them guys trick you, guys. Guys, listen, man. And the reason why, all right, put it like this, guys. I used to work for Honda dealership, right? The Hondas, Honda dealership. And I know about cars. I know how the car salesmen work, right? I know how these guys are, right? So when you have education, right, and you know about something, It's very hard for another person to scam you or take advantage of you. The reason why a lot of people in the crypto market are getting scammed left and right, and these people are taking advantage of other people, is because people in general, these crypto investors, are uneducated. It's just what it is. They don't want to learn, guys. All they want is, I'm buying this coin because this person told me to buy it. I'm gonna make $1 million because he told me I'm gonna make $1 million. That's it. That's all they basing their portfolio on. That's it. He said that it is a good coin. He has 100K subscribers. I believe him. I'm going all in. If you basing on that, oh man, this market is gonna eat you up. You're gonna get scammed left and right. That's facts. Right? Guys, don't you know the knowledge that I have right now? The knowledge that I have right now, I can scam you guys so bad. I can scam you so bad you won't even know I'm scamming you. Alright? I don't want to do that. It doesn't make any sense. I know how the scams work. I can scam you guys. Guys, listen. If I really wanted to scam you, I would tell you, keep on buying XRP, right? Don't worry, it's not going. Listen, guys, don't worry. The world is manipulating XRP. Don't worry, guys. Keep buying XRP. It's going to go up. Don't worry, guys. It's going to go up, right? I can tell you, keep buying XRP or these other coins, Bitcoin, whatever. And all I have to do is read the news to you every single day, and that's it, right? And you'll be happy because I'm giving you good news. I'm giving you some type of hope. I can scam you guys so bad to the point where, like, man, this guy, I love this guy. And meantime, I could be scamming you. I don't want to do that. It doesn't make any sense. Right? If you know about the laws of life, karma is real, right? You will, like, eventually either you will get caught or something's going to happen to you eventually, right? But anyway, in order to get around that, you have to educate yourself. You have to educate yourself, guys. You have to learn how this stuff works. Anybody can sell you an indicator and you say, oh man, he said it's good, man. He got 100K subscribers, so I believe him. Bro, look at these guys' track record. These guys legit. Most of these guys been wrong for a long time. And you guys still believe them because they telling you, guys, don't worry, everything's gonna be okay. I got some good news for you. So be it. I mean, if you want to live your life like that, so be it. Let me see here. Let me look at these other questions. Do you think altcoins will go back to the lows BTC keeps selling? Yeah. I mean, look at Ethereum right now. Now, I'm not gonna lie. This is hardcore support right here. I'm not gonna lie. This is hardcore support right here. So, right here, this bounce right here is hardcore support. Right. Now, if we slice through this, oh man. Okay. Or even if we bounce from this, but the bounce is weak, oh man, you don't want that. All right. You want these coins to hold support. That's what you want. Okay, let's go back to some more questions. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button right now. Okay, if you're just tuning in, if you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben, a professional trader. Okay, this is what I do every single day. While you are on Instagram, I'm looking at the charts, figuring out ways to make more money. While you are playing video games, I'm the guy that's taking your money from the charts, guys. Right? So if you want to learn how I'm able to do this, hit that subscribe button. Let me go back to Swazza said the best indicator is price action because what been, yes. Shout to Swaz. Let me give him, right, that bomb button because that is, I just said it. That's 100% true. You can't beat price action. You know why? Because the indicator, the reason why the indicator gets data, right? The reason why your indicator goes up and down is because it's following, keyword, following price. If it's following price, why would you want a follower? You want the leader. The leader is price. Can you use indicators? You could. But you have to learn how to use price action first. Let me see. Today I breached 1,000 account level from initial 200 studio bench. So shout out to Andrew. Andrew said today I breached $1,000, right, from my account. His initial investment was $200. Okay, that's one of my students. Let me give him a round of applause, man. Shout out to you making this money now, right? I told you guys. I told you, man. I don't get it. There's money right now, right in front of your face. You don't want to take it. You're scared. You're scared. You're nervous. Don't you understand that you don't even have to put up money first to practice this stuff? The stuff that I teach, you don't even have to put up real money first. You could practice with fake money. But you rather believe a guy that's giving you good news, even though he been wrong, more than he been right. You rather watch him because he's feeding you hope. All right, it's fine with me. All right, let's go back to these questions here. Bears are back in the town, guys, as expected. We'll see, man. We'll see. We have to see if some of these coins could find support. If they can't find support, yes, the Bears are back. My BSV short is doing very well, man. Shout out to you, bro. Let me see. Big Ben. So right, I shorted Litecoin yesterday, so set my trade up light. Like you said in your course, and when the market dropped, it crashed. Shout out to BJ. Let me give him that ka-ching button. Okay, money in the bank. Okay, and honestly, man, you know, all jokes aside, guys, I kind of feel sorry for you know, the hodlers, right? But eventually, I'm gonna stop feeling sorry for them. But I feel sorry for these guys that don't want to take action and learn how to read the charts because there's money right in front of their face. And they waiting for some magic something. I don't know what they waiting for. Guys, this is the only reason why I stopped hodling, okay, and buying and holding. This is the reason why, guys. It's too stressful, man. You think day trading is stressful? All right. Imagine you putting all your wealth into a stock or a coin and you see that thing drop. Bro, I'm talking about what? Man. The thing I love about day trading is at least you can control your trades, okay? So let's say that you're working with 10K, right? And let's say that I only want to lose $50 or $100 per trade. Don't you know I have to lose so many trades to lose that 10K? It's like virtually impossible to lose the 10K if you know what you're doing. That means you have to lose so many times, guys. But with a buy and hold strategy, You only have to lose once. You're done. Bye-bye. And it's funny because society will always say day trading is risky, but buy and hold is, guys, bro. If you get wiped out, your whole wealth get wiped out. Don't you understand, guys? Stress, finance, and money. Okay, lack of money is probably the number one, or I wouldn't say the number one, or it's up there. They don't talk about this, but the lack of money is actually the leading cause for depression, stress. You're not going to find this. If you typed it in, you're not going to find it on Google. I'm telling you what it is. You can see it. It's real. You can see it. So you don't try to do research. I'm telling you, the lack of money is one of the leading causes of stress, being depressed. Right? You will, your wife will divorce you based on lack of money. Right? Finances. You know how many people get divorced just because they don't have money? And you want to play around with your money on an unregulated market or in an unregulated market? Be my guest. I'd rather grab the chunks, all right? I'd rather grab the little chunks in the market than go all in. Okay, I know a lot of people are all in. I mean, all in, bro. Be my guest. I'm trying to help you guys and save you guys and make you understand, bro. There's another world. They're not telling you about this world because they don't want you to know. They want you to hold so you can be a sheep so they can sell, that they can take your money. Right? Do you want to buy and hold? Can you buy and hold if you want to? I'm not saying that you can't. I'm saying that you should have other strategies. Right? That's why I stopped buying and holding, because it's stressful, bro. Waiting years to get a result. I'm trying to quit my job now and I gotta wait. What? I gotta wait more years? Oh man. I hate my boss. I hate this. I hate this job. And I gotta wait more? Oh man. Man, forget this, man. I'm selling everything. I gotta learn how to trade now. That's how it is, man. But some of you guys are lazy, but it's all good. Let's go back to these questions, guys. Let's go. Let's go back to these questions right now. Let's see what's going on in this world. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you don't know how to make money right now, hit that subscribe button. Let's go back to what does support and resistance matter if Wells call the shots, Ben? Nil. Okay. Shout out to Nil. All right. I know Nil. You are probably new to this, which is okay. So I'm not going to pick on you, right? Neil asked a good question. Neil said, what does support and resistance matter if the Wells call the shots? Neil, listen to me, Neil. I want you to listen to me. Okay? Shut down everything you're doing. If you listen to TV, if you're on your iPad, I don't care. Listen to me, Will. The Wells leave clues, okay? Wells leave clues. How did I know that this was going to be a major resistance zone right here, Neil? How did I know that, Neil? I called this way before it, Neil. I called way before. I said I'm looking for this. Okay, I said that this could be resistance, this one, but this is the major one right here. I'm looking for this one. How did I know that, Will? I follow the Wells, Will. You have to understand. It's not about the Wells making calls. It's about you following them. You study their patterns because they make the patterns. They're the ones, right? They are the reason why you see patterns appear over and over on the chart. This is the reason why. So it's not about what does support and resistance matter if the whales call the shots. It's not about that. It's about following their patterns, okay? Following their footsteps. They're gonna leave clues, Neil. That's what you capitalize on. The whales can't do but so much. They have to leave clues. This is why I follow the chart, Neil. This is why I don't care about the news. The news will never give you clues. The news is actually the opposite of whatever you think. The chart will always give you clues. The whales can't hide. They can hide but so much, but they can't hide if you understand what's going on. Everything in this world has a pattern. If you understand, if you study, Neil, study the world, study life. Everything has a pattern. Everything. So once you understand the charts and once you understand how to study the charts, these guys can't take advantage of you, okay, because they leave clues and you hop and follow the whales so you can make money like the whales are making money. Okay, I'm making money just like the whales are making money. This is what you have to understand, Neil, and everybody else that's watching this live stream. It's not about the whales, guys. It's not about nothing. It's about understanding the patterns that appear over and over and taking advantage of those. That's what all's about, guys. Neil, that's what it's about, right? No more excuses. You can see this is why I try to help you guys out. Most crypto investors will always have excuses. Let's say the market start to crash. We go to 2K, right? All crazy crypto investors would say, "Oh man, the whales are manipulating the market, bro. What is wrong with you?" And I'm not talking about you, Neil. In general, I'm just talking about people in general. Stop blaming other people and learn the game. Life is a game. This whole system is a game, guys. School is a system. Game. The law is a system. Is a game. All right? That's why you hire the best lawyer in town, because he understands the game. He understands things you can't understand because he's been studying it for a long time. Okay? It's a game. Once you understand the patterns and the laws and what makes things successful and how to get results, once you study those things, you can beat the game. All right? Let's go back to these other questions. The Moon Boys are strong. They are not respecting TA. Well, put it like this. I'm not going to say all of them are not respecting TA. I think some of them are starting to realize, maybe this has something to it. Okay, not everybody, but I think a lot more are starting to realize technical analysis have, something to it. But yeah, these Moon Boys are cocky. I actually was listening to another Moon Boy today. I'm quite sure you know who he is. All right. He said that he don't see Bitcoin going to 6K. All right. Because we are in a bull market. Guys, listen to me right now. We are not in a bull market. All right. I'm not saying that to be negative. All right. We are not in a bull market. I repeat, we are not in the bull market. We have to create new highs in order to be in the bull market. All right. And 6K is likely if we don't if we can pass this resistance zone. Okay, 6K is likely. The reason why he can't see 6K is because he is not a guy that understands, right, the market. He doesn't understand. He doesn't have financial education. So this is why it's very hard for me to come on here, because you guys are brainwashed, and when you come on my live stream, you bring that those habits to my live streams. And I'm trying to let you know, hey, bro, listen, slow your roll, bro. This is different over here, right? We professionals over here. We extract money from the markets, right? We don't care about Bitcoin going to 1 million, bro. That's not the name of the game. The name of the game is making money right now. That guy that you see driving for that Ferrari or that Lamborghini, right? That guy, he's not making money. He's not waiting for some money 10 years from now. He's making money right now. That's the name of the game. So you better hope that Bitcoin holds support somewhere, all right? It has to hold support, guys. This is not a bull market yet. We have to make high. We have to basically make a new high. We have to wipe out this whole down move right here. Okay? If we don't wipe out this whole down move, we are still in that bear market, and we can still make new lows. Just how it works. Most people always think I'm speaking negative. Okay? Oh man, why are you always speaking negative? You are the same guy that thought Bitcoin was never going to break 6,000. And I told you guys, stop buying the dips. I'm looking for this crack right here. It's not because I'm speaking negative. It's because I'm looking at the chart. The chart is telling me this. Let's go back to these questions. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you don't have this course by now, check it out. It's actually the live stream discount, so it's actually $199. The original price is $249. If you want to get that live stream discount, meaning that it will only be available during a live stream, check that out right now. Here's that link. And basically it will show you how to make, well, it was basically it show you how to make money now. And you will learn how to make money now. And you will get access to the Discord, crypto Discord too. Let me see here. Let me go back to these questions. What's going on, Green Thumbs? Shout out to you. Yeah, hit those likes, guys. Hit those likes right now. Your finger's not going to fall off. Hit those likes right now. All right? Hit those likes right now, guys. Let me see. All right. Yeah, these moon boys are very cocky, bro. They definitely cocky, especially when Bitcoin hit that 13K mark. Yeah, they got cocky. They start saying like, "Yo, I'm going all in." Actually, another moon boy that's cocky right now. He said that if Bitcoins go to 4K, he's going all in. He's selling everything. Put like that. I wish. I hope. Put like this. I want to see him sell and go all in, because a lot of people talk a lot of junk, right? Talk a lot of junk. They always say, yeah, I will go all in, but when the time comes, they get too scared. Right? You're scared. You should be scared, because that's not a good time to go all in. No time is a good time, but especially right here. We wiped out pretty much everything, and you want to go all in? Nah. Anyway, Escape the Matrix. What's going on? What's going on, Jesus? Pray for my boy Ben. Yeah, man, there's nothing wrong with praying. All right? If you want to pray for me, why would I say not pray for me, bro? Pray for me. I want blessings. I want more blessings. That's not a bad thing. I thank the Lord every day. Thank you for blessing me. Thank you for continuing to bless me. Let me see. The dominance is BTC. Yeah, it's almost at 70. Yeah, we talked about that all day. Jason, Big Ben, I want to learn your course. What exchange do I need to so I can make money along with you? What exchange? You can use any exchange. Are you in the U.S.? So you can use Hugo Sway if you in the U.S. Let me know. If you're not in the U.S., you can use Bybit. I don't know about BitMEX. A lot of people complain about that. And if you into day trading, the futures market, let me know. I have a course for that too. How low can we drop? We don't know. It's very hard to tell. I'm looking at this breakout right here. If we can't hold support at this breakout, most likely they're going to wipe the guys that went long right at this breakout. Just like Ethereum. If you look at Ethereum right here, okay, that breakout, these guys got wiped out on that breakout. So you see this breakout, that's the same breakout I was just pointing on Bitcoin, right? So Ethereum actually wiped out this breakout right here. They wiped out whoever went long right here, they got wiped out. So if you look at Bitcoin, it didn't happen yet, right? You better pray. This is why I said pray for Bitcoin, because if it wipes out everybody that went long, just like Ethereum, that doesn't look good, and most likely is probably going to continue to go lower, even though it's probably going to definitely going to catch support around 6,000 easily. Okay, but you really don't want it to go that low. You really don't. Honestly, you really don't. Alrighty, let's go back to these questions. Troy said, you shouldn't brag about the ability to scam us. I know you are trying to make a point, but that's not a good approach. Troy, shout out to you. I know you've been on my live stream before. Okay. But you better be glad that I said that. Right? You better be glad that I said that. All right? Because there's a lot of people that you trust right now, smiling in your face, and they scamming you. Okay? They're scamming you right now. All I said was very simple. If I really wanted to scam you guys, trust me, I can do it. Right? If you have knowledge about an industry and you understand it, it's so easy to scam someone. Just like the example I gave you guys at the car dealership. If you go to a car dealership right now, right, they can easily take advantage of you. Easily take advantage of you. Right? But if I go to a car dealership, they can't take advantage of me. Why? Because I understand. I've been in that world. I used to work for Honda. I used to work for the dealership. So I understand that world, right? So you can't come to me and say this and that. Oh, man, get out of my face, bro. I know what you're talking about. So all I'm trying to tell you guys is educate yourself so you won't be scammed. So you can see, so you can point it out and say, oh, that guy, man, he's full of it. So if you can't understand that, bro, I don't understand, Troy. I don't understand it. Yeah, I really don't understand your thinking. But anyway, let's go back. Daily 200 EMA would be around 6K. Yeah, definitely. Some people are addicted to losing. Yes, you know why they're addicted to losing? Is because they are weak and they feel like they don't have any hope, or they don't feel like they have they don't believe in themselves, and they feel like they can't do what I do or what other people do. So they go the easy route. The easy route is always the wrong thing to do. All right? The easy route is always the wrong thing to do. Okay? You have to work hard now so your life could be easy later. You don't do the easy things now, because if you do the easy thing now, your life will be harder. It's just how it works. That's how life works. Most people want to take the easy route. It's all good. I can't convince everybody. Troy, I'm gonna say this one more time, Troy. Okay. Please. I mean, this is your third time writing about this, right? And I know I'm getting to you guys' questions late. Okay, I know I'm getting to you guys' questions late. But Troy, relax, bro. I'm trying to give you a pass because I know you've been here before, all right? If I knew you was a troller, I would have been kicked you out. I'm trying to give you a pass. So what I'm going to try, I'm doing it again. I'm giving you a pass, right, Troy? If you bring this up again, I can't give you a pass because it doesn't make any sense, right? I'm here helping people, doing the opposite of most people, and you bring that up like it doesn't even make any sense why you're bringing that up, okay? If you understand what I'm trying to say, it doesn't make any sense. I'm not trying to sell you on anything or flaws on others. You said I'm trying to talk about others and look at other people's flaws. Yes, you damn right I'm doing that. First of all, this is my channel. I can do whatever I want. Second of all, if I don't educate people and make them better, what the heck I'm doing on this live stream? Okay? Just because you don't want to learn that stuff doesn't mean that it doesn't help other people. Don't you know it helps people? Right? I don't say things just to be saying things. Put it like this. Last year, right, when we was going down, I told guys not to buy the dips, stop listening to the news, right? Guess what? A lot of people listened to me, and they made money, and they saved money, right? The people that didn't listen to me, they lost a lot of money, right? I was explaining to people the reason why I'm telling people stop buying the dips is because we can actually go lower. I'm seeing what I'm seeing. And I'm trying to explain to you guys that these other YouTubers don't know what they're talking about, right? Me saying that other YouTubers don't know what they're talking about is a good thing, all right? I'm trying to help you. So if you can't understand that, bro, chill out, all right? Anyway, let me go back to these questions, guys. All right. So shout out to anybody that's here. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Let me see here, guys. Honestly, I don't know what to say. All I can say is, all right. I'm still young, in my 30s. And I love my life. It wasn't easy. I worked my butt off. I used to work 12 hours a day when I was working a 9 to 5. But the life that I'm living right now, I love it. I can't really explain it to you, okay? It's something that you have to experience yourself. The same way, if let's say that you never ate an apple before, okay? And I try to explain how juicy it tastes. I can explain it, a million different ways. It still doesn't matter. If you never ate or experienced an apple before, okay? You really can't get the experience or the real feeling. So the life that I live, I'm trying to help you guys and motivate you guys to get to that level. If you can't understand that, I don't know what you do. You need to get out of here, bro. All right? If you bring negative energy over here, bro, get that out of here, man. You worrying about, guys, you can't worry about little things. Okay? If you bring up little things, the tiny things, that's why you're not successful yet. Because you're bringing up things that don't matter. Focus on things that matters, guys. Come on. Right now, Bitcoin has to find support. If it doesn't, We are going to break low, just like Ethereum is going to break low. Ethereum actually went below this breakout right here, right? If Bitcoin follows, which it usually does, it usually follows these altcoins. If it does, you better pray for Bitcoin. Now, me, since I am a professional trader, I can take advantage of that move and make money. Most of you guys can't because you're too scared. You fell in love with your coin. You're thinking that this thing's going to $1 million, whatever the case is. Okay, what I'm trying to introduce to you is there's another world out here, right? Another world where if you want to hodl, fine, go ahead, but you can still make money now if you want to. If you don't want to, then you can go to that next channel that's going to give you good news every single day, even though your portfolio is showing you red. If you want to do that, then go ahead. I'm okay with that. Right? But let's stick with the positivity on these live streams, guys. Come on, man. Let me read these questions. For sure, need to hit. Yeah, definitely need to hit new highs. What's going on, RedFi? Let me see here. Moonboys are saying never go below 6K. Yeah, it's funny. It's funny how Moonboys is always saying it never goes. Ripple Army said too much scams online. Big Ben is the realest, man. Shout out to Ripple Army, man. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Right. Made $1,000 on a crude oil demo account thanks to Ben teachings. Going live in just days. Shout out to Aces, man. Aces, I haven't seen you in the chat in a minute. That means he's still day trading. That's what's up, man. Come through, Aces. Let me give you a round of applause, though. Okay. That's all I'm trying to teach you guys. That there's money right now in front of your face. If you can't respect that, then I don't know what to say. Where do you see Bitcoin going? My crystal ball 700. Well, it all depends on if we crash. If we go low, like break this low, then of course we can go much lower. But I'm not really going to think that far. We can still find support somewhere, and hopefully that support can bring us back up. But overall, I hope you guys, take profits. Of course, I'm not giving you financial advice, but that's what I'm doing. Ben is the most honest person on YouTube. Fact. Shout to Swaz. Thanks a lot for that comment, bro. Alright, sold at 12K, so I'm fine. Alright, that's what's up, man. Frightening is acting up. He's saying sell. This is the first time the market. I timed the market correctly, thanks to Ben and all I learned watching these videos. Thank you, Ben. Thank you, Moro. All right, appreciate it, bro. Appreciate you trying to learn. Okay. And guys, hit the like button if you didn't. Hit the like buttons. So right now, guys, I'm reading these questions. I'm thinking about doing another live stream later on. We'll see. Someone said, how low can we go? Basically, right now, if you look at the altcoins, I'm not really paying attention to Bitcoin right now, right? Even though I told you guys I'm looking for a new low and we got that, right? I'm not looking paying attention to Bitcoin right now. I'm looking at these altcoins because if you notice, when the market sells off, altcoins are the leaders, right? So I'm looking to see what Ethereum does, Litecoin does, right? Ethereum is actually at the breakout area where we first started this whole crazy up move, which is not good. So we have to see if Ethereum actually catch support around here, and we take it from there. All right. If it doesn't hold support, buyers don't really come in, and then we can start talking about, okay, how low this thing can go. But right now, as we speak, yes, this doesn't look too good. Okay, let's be honest. But we'll see. Let's take it day by day. But guys, I'm about to get out of here. Like I said before, if you're new to this stream, if you don't have my course by now, check this out. The live stream discount here. I'm about to get out of here. Here's a link. If you have any questions, you can email me. Shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to everybody that's making money. Let me give you guys that ka-ching button once again. But shout out to everybody that's willing to learn and basically willing to improve and take things to the next level, because that's what life is about, guys. Life is not about sitting and hoping and waiting, guys. All right, that's what most of you guys are doing. You're sitting, hoping, and waiting. I don't know any guy that's making money consistently. Is their strategy is based on sitting, waiting, and hoping. Bro, name me one person. Name me one person that that's making a lot of money. Their strategy is based on sitting, waiting, and hoping. Come on, guys. Right? Did I look at XRP? Yeah, I think I looked at XRP. Shout out to you guys, XRP guys, man. I feel for you guys right now. I hope this thing turns around. But please learn how to read the chart real soon. Now, I'll probably do another live stream later on. But again, guys, thanks a lot for subscribing. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate all my guys. Appreciate everybody. Have a great day. I'm about to take a swim and do some more things. Chill with my daughter. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it. Talk to all my students via Discord right now. Talk to you guys later. And please have a great day.